Hi, this is Mark with AFT Construction, and we are here at Project Worth the Wait. I'd like to point out today is Halloween, so happy Halloween, everyone. Right behind me here, you can see we're installing windows and doors, so let's go check that out. This window is still waiting to be installed. As you can see, we have the window bucks in place. The bucks are what the window sits on, and on the windows it has a fin all around that actually is the way that it's attached to the bucks. They put a sealant all the way around. The window is put in, the window is screwed in, and then they come back and they put flashing tape all around. As you can see, with this one being open still, they have their flashing all the way around the window. They have their flashing tape on the sill, and once this is all installed, the stucco guys come in and they will wrap their Tyvek underneath this flashing right here. So any moisture that is present will naturally run all the way down through the weep screed. Over here you see the windows already installed. This one you can't see the fins because they've already flashed their tape over the top of it. This actually will be a slightly different finish on this one. This pop out right here is going to be stone and has a limestone surround. So this will actually, the finish look will actually protrude out further than the window. So the limestone will wrap around. We'll have a limestone sill on the bottom, and that'll be a different finish to the one we just looked at, which will be a stucco finish. So if you notice on this window right here, and this is the same with all the windows, when they come in and flash around the top and the sides, they don't flash the bottom with the tape right here. That's simply to allow any moisture that may get behind there. This allows it to actually come out and not go, inside the house and into the drywall. So that's the reason they don't tape the bottom of the windows. Then if we go over to the front of the house, you see we have a giant window right here that is right at the bottom of the staircase. That is actually 3 windows stacked together. That's pretty tall, and that took quite a bit to install. We move over to the front entry. We do have 2 windows in this front entry, and that is to simply let light into the entryway. Moving over, we actually have a sliding door. This goes right into what will be the office. So we will have a little outdoor courtyard right here. So we can come in and out right into the office right here. And then moving on to another bedroom right here. Different parts of the house will have different finishes. Some stucco, some stone, some limestone wrap. All of these windows too, they're all fiberglass. So they will actually, they're good in extreme temperatures, heat-wise, and extreme cold. So that's a good thing about this Impervia by Pella. Really well-made windows and doors. Okay, so we're on the west side of the house. We have quite a few windows on this side of the house. A couple in the bedroom, and then we have a bathroom. We have these air conditioner whips coming out of the wall here. And as we walk down, this is actually the laundry room. You can see this one has some tape over it. This window was actually damaged in shipping, and Pella, they actually knew that had happened, so they got this replacement ordered right away. You might be asking, why did they install it if it was broken? Well, simply because the frame stays intact. From the inside, you can actually pop off the sills and remove the actual glass part of the window. So that allows us to keep going with the house wrap. We don't have to hold off, and we can actually come in when this new window arrives, replace it from the inside, and that does not stop us from continuing with our house wrap. These are actually not your typical sliders that slide and stack all to one side. These are actually 2 stationary windows or doors, and the two middle ones will actually slide out both ways. So a little bit different to what we normally install. You can see they're not quite done installing this one yet. They still have to put the actual slide-in part in here. They've got this piece of flashing across because they don't want people standing on the sill right there. So this window, or this door right here, we have a 20 feet wide opening by a 10 feet high height. Plenty of room for this huge patio we have here. Back here we have kitchen area and a small, what will be like a dining area behind this window. Over on this side we have a game room that comes off of the kitchen. Again, we have a sliding door for access to the patio. We're under what will be a little seating area, and we will have a patio heater installed here. Even though we're Arizona, we still do get cold in the wintertime. So here we are upstairs. We have actually a couple of different kind of windows on this house. This one right here, these are only temporary handles, but this one will have a handle that flips up, and then there'll be a wind crank handle right here. These windows actually open outwards. So if you can imagine, you'll be actually cranking this window. Lots of room for your kids to get out onto the roof. So thanks for joining me, Mark with AFT Construction here at the project Worth the Wait. And thanks for checking out the windows and doors, and see you next time.